Hi everyone, tutorial on how to use the sitemap feature within the ServiceTracker mobile app. What you have to do is get yourself into a visit first of all. So I'm going to pick on a visit that's all in progress and just double check that there are inspection items, because when we create a sitemap we're basically adding inspection items to a map on the phone. If you don't, then you can go in and you can create them, not a problem. Might take you a little bit of time, but you only have to do it once. So make sure there's inspection items on the site, and then what we're going to do is go to the paperclip. We're going to tap on the pencil at the top of the screen, and then we're going to click on draw the floor. So I click on draw the floor and it says give your floor plan a name. So level 1 warehouse, description. And then at this point, you can either take a photo, which most of the time people take a photo of kind of the fire escape plan or the site map if you've got one on site, or if you go to your gallery and somebody's already sent you a site map, you can then click on that and upload it. So we're going to use a site map that I've already taken a picture of. And as you can see, it's really basic, but just wanted to show you how this works. So I've got my site map, that's all loaded into the page, and I just click on add items. This then gives me a list of all of the items. And from here, what I can do is either just tick the boxes to say I want that one or that one or that one, or I could select them all by ticking on the little circle with the kind of tick in the middle. So select every single item that's on site. Sometimes you don't want to do this, especially if you're creating different level floor plans, but I'll just say yes. As you can see, it adds all of the pins onto the map, and these are all color coded. So you got blue for kind of internals and you got red for toxic or externals. You can have different colors as well, so you could have, like, for example, green if you wanted to put EFKs on the site. And all I'm doing is just dragging these over. So I'm putting them into the various rooms, externally, internally, whatever. I'm just building up a site plan. If ever you think, well, what is that item? Just tap on it and it just says, that's the east side, whatever it is, EFK or something like that. So just drag these into position. You might have to play with it a little bit just to get it where you want it. I'll leave it as that. But yeah, tapping on the pins, as you can see, it kind of changes the text at the bottom. And you can add more to that little pop-up as well. So the moment I don't have the item type, I can always add that in. But once I'm happy with that, I just click on create. And then that creates my floor plan. So level 1 warehouse floor plan. I can always tap on it just to view it, see how it looks, kind of move things around if I wanted to, click update. And then that's your floor plan. That then is available on the phone every single time you tap on the little pencil. So you can always view the floor plans later on if you need to. And then I'll just show you how it looks on the server side. And now I'm logged into the server. What I can do, get to my client record, because all of these are stored against the client. Scroll my page down until I get to this floor plan section. And if you don't have this, then let us know. We can always set this up for you, drag and drop it onto the page. And you can see from my floor plan section, I've got all the same floor plans that I saw on the mobile. This is the new one I just created today, and I can just click view. That little pop-up then shows me the same as what I put on the mobile, same kind of pop-ups. These are better ones. I've just added the item type and the reference so you can see exactly what they are. And then the only difference now, and we are looking at updating the mobile soon, on the server side you can tap into the icon and it takes you straight to the item where you can look at all the visit history, you can see any barcodes, you can look at any charts, anything you like. And it just opens up in a new tab, so I can click on the new one, and then there's my EFK, and then I can just keep clicking into each of the items to view them. Obviously your plans are going to look much better than this, not just a drawn kind of piece of paper version. But yeah, have a play around with it. You can always print it as well if you wanted to give it to your customers. And yeah, very basic, but does the job for now. Thanks a lot.